some leakage, etc., so they have to proper burn.
One and
Then the drainage of the burn should be set.
yes. So where is their service water line? Where is service water line?
There is no line to be connected to for the eye wash.
No, but for eye wash should be potable water.
I was with potable water, yes.
Service water line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Depends on outside the building. You keep the building. Go to the building, then the smudge water building.
No, this is chemical building.
Yes, it's the same.
Just provide with quick fit coupling.
It's the same building. We have house here.
To show this one.
Yeah, sure. Go to
Okay.
the smudge water building.
Yeah, we're talking about chemical building.
Yeah, wait, wait.
It is inside, it is same building, no?
It's the same building.
Same building, separate rooms.
They need to,
It's the same.
they need to extend it.
What is the distance? What is the distance?
Actually, this house is like 25 meters.
That's
So this
that's
is-
okay. Every area, that's okay. 25 meters like this, like this. That is okay. And SOP,
There's a common.
yeah.
Service water. That they can.
No,
Yeah.
this is outside the building. Not inside. You can-
Yeah.
This one.
Okay. So guys, with this, I mean, we have seen the no and less flow, more flow we have seen, temperature we have seen, and less level we have already seen. In other, there is a chemical spillage. We are saying that proper